So make sure to stay until the end, because if you do some things wrong, you can actually destroy your engine, and we'll explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Challenger, and if you need to find where fuel injector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain how you can get to them. We have a special video that will talk about replacing fuel injector from start to finish. And if you don't do some things right, you can actually guys cause quite a bit of damage to the engine, or destroy your engine, or catch your car on fire, or yourself. So make sure guys you watch that video. It will teach you what not to do in some cases, and we'll never guys recommend to ignore any advices. So all that will be covered. So let's go ahead and explain where they're located for cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 for any of you that know how to get to the fuel injectors. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. What we have specifically here, Dodge Challenger guys. Okay, this is Dodge Challenger that we have, 2018 V6. Now, I want to talk about a few things here guys, okay. This is specifically the V6 engine. The only thing that we have removed is the upper engine cover. You just grab and pull it straight up. Now, let's say you got a scanner and you diagnosed it and you have a code relating to fuel injector. First of all, many of you asked us in the comment section below to share information about a good scanner guys. We decided to do that. This is one of the best scanners that we've been using here. It's amazing. It works on almost any car you can think of, and you can access every computer system, read codes, delete codes and see live data. So it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. So talking about that now, okay, where are fuel injectors? In order to replace fuel injectors, we'll have a complete video and check it out. It will teach you how to do that. But fuel injectors are located under the upper intake manifold. On the left side you can see the connectors only, but you cannot remove the injectors. This is guys right here, okay, the fuel injectors for the left cylinder head, 3 of them, and 3 fuel injectors for the right cylinder head as well. This is known as bank 1, this is known as bank 2. Now, which one is fuel injector number 1, 2 and 3, respectively 4, 5 and 6. That guys, it's different on Dodge than some other vehicles. We'll explain why, but never drive with bad fuel injector because you can destroy your engine. We have a video that explains, can I drive with bad fuel injector? And check out the video about symptoms of leaking fuel injector and how it can destroy your engine practically guys. Symptoms of leaking fuel injector. It will teach how it can destroy your engine, so check it out because you can destroy your engine. That's no joke. And looking here now, for instance, Porsche guys uses a different design. The German cars, Porsche for instance, Volkswagen, Audi, they use like that. They will go cylinder number 1, 2 and 3 respectively. That will be injector 1, 2 and 3. But Dodge uses a different approach. This is cylinder number 1 fuel injector. Cylinder number 2 is here. Cylinder number 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are respectively the fuel injectors for those cylinders. So if you have problems with fuel injector number 3, it's actually this one here, it's not that one there. If you have cylinder number 2 fuel injector, it's that one, not the second one on this side. So you get the idea, you will know what I'm talking about guys. We'll have a complete guide how to replace fuel injectors. Check it out. If you want to see any specific videos on that Challenger, let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.